exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Hello everyone, welcome to KUNGFU.LIFE YouTube channel. I'm Shifu Yan Xin. Today I'm going to share with you some Qi Gong movement. That is from the form called Luo Han 18手. In English name called Arhat 18 hands. This movement is a very cool movement. Is that I find it very interesting because during this movement will help us more balance the same time, even more concentrate. And at the same time, you can stretch to the maximum, let your breath traveling to the maximum. In the later on, that will help your body inside the internal force more fluid. So that's why I choose this movement to share with you today. As let it be practice this one. Let's expand this movement. When we do this movement, basically you treat your movement is that right arm up, left knee up, opposite, and change, dropping down the same time, exchange the hands. When the hands up, the knee falling up. Let's keep rotating this and dropping down, see the time, both hands, then exchanging. Arm go first, then the leg up, and dropping down. And the time arm up a little bit, and lead your knee higher, and dropping down. That is the pace. You see it again. See this? The up, opposite, left knee, right arm, and dropping down. Weight, exchanging, up. Opposite, always opposite. Okay, this is the steps. Arms. When the arms going, is hands up. Almost with your similar level. See this? And this other hand is moving back. See this? So feels like a stretching, like this up. Then you should exchange the hands up with your ear level, and this hand moving back. So both side arm. And come back, relax, change, relax, change, and back. This is how the arm traveling. The arm traveling, you should feel the hands is actually reach up to the sky. Oh, you think about sometime you want to change the light on the roof, right? You're like, change the roof. This is the one arm on the top. Other hand is actually opposite and moving up as you can. So this is the arm. Find something that can remind you to the movement. And the third one is the breathe. How to apply the breath into the movement is that when you go up, it's actually use inhale. This is use Kung Fu breath technique, which means use when you inhale, use your nose up to your lungs. Inhale. Then dropping down is exhale. Same, use your nose and go up. Inhale to the maximum. Exhale. Inhale. So lift up, inhale, dropping down, exhale. That's three things. Now explain why we do this movement, how they're related, how they should be affected your body. So when you do this movement, it actually should be open your body. When you open your body, then plus the breath. This is inside the breath traveling. More rooms, more bigger. That's why we train internal. Okay, so stretching to the maximum muscle, then use the breath to strengthen inside. At the same time stretching you. This movement should be good for your, I always pronunciation wrong this name, split, if that makes sense, split, and the stomach. So usually we use this muscle stretching to help your organs, make them excess, shall we say, and stronger. That is the meaning of this movement. we could do the same things. The difference is that when you do this, you won't reach the maximum. You still can say higher, but it's no stretch the maximum. You both hands stretch and one single hand stretch even further. That's why you use the one arm up and other arm. And you maybe wonder why we have to be only use one single leg. It's same things. You both leg, your body posture, your body mechanically is no reach the limited. If you use one leg, you feel like you reach more higher. So you hold the energy, the qi, the breeze should be more upward. It's kind of like you flying up. So more lifting up. That's why we use the Jinji to lead the Rooster stance, help you lift you up more longer. So the last movement I need to remind you for the Rooster stance, the Jinji Duli. Now you either can do up knee at the front or the knee moving back. So you can move up like this. This idea is help your body expanding up. So remember that. So not really important your front or back, but important you feel the expanding. So now when we know this movement already, so I lead you to a few more times. So you start from here first. Okay, then slowly move the hands, almost there, then lift up the knee. Be careful, some of you when you start the first time, you feel very hard to find the balance. I need slowly pay more attention and dropping down. Now plus the breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Just like this. You should be able to carry on more times. So for you, first time practice should be each single set you do at least 10 times. So more you do about 20-30 times, your body, your movement should lead your motion or mindset into our focus like a meditation. This we said use the movement, use the action, lead your mind to meditation. Okay, different way of meditations. Not only sitting meditation, you do Tai Chi, you do Qi Gong, you do Kung Fu. It's all kind of a different way of a meditation. Help your mindset and heart set. Yeah, that's it. So I hope you this movement you learn it and help you improve your concentrating balance and inside organs working more better. And if you want to know more about this movement, on our website, they do have a whole form available. So you can check them out. Welcome, check them out. If you're interested. Otherwise, you only practice movement is very good enough for your routine. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day. I'm looking forward to see you in the next video. Take care.